Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to be solving question 56 from the second chapter of the Beer&Johnston textbook, Engineering Mechanics. And we have these two forces of P and Q that are applied at the connection that we have. We know that the connection is in equilibrium, so we have the magnitude of the forces exerted on rods A and B, and we have two unknowns in here, which are force P and Q, and the question is asking to find the magnitude of these two forces. So we are in equilibrium, and that means we have sum of all forces equals 0. And since we have a 2D question, that means we have sum of all forces in X is equal to 0, and same for the Y. And we're just going to define our X and Y in here. And all we need to do in here is just to resolve each of these two forces in X and Y components. And after that, we should be good to go. Find the two unknowns that we have. Let's start with the force Q. If we look at it, we'll see that we have the force with y-axis. So Q sine of 40 degrees would be our x component. And since it's to the right, we have a positive sign. We have also FB, which is already in x direction. And we have the x component of FA, since it's to the left minus FA. We have the angle with x-axis, cosine of 50 degrees. And we already know FA and FB. We should be able to, we know FB is 400 and our FA is 750 pounds. So we should be able to find the Q in here. So our Q would be, if we bring everything on the other side of the equation, we'll have 750 cosine of 50 degrees minus 400 divided by sine of 40 degrees. Let's calculate this. So 750 cosine of 50 minus 400 divided by sine of 40. That's going to give us 127.7 pounds. So we found our Q. And we're going to move on to our Y equation. So we have the Y component of FA, which is FA sine of 50 degrees. It's upward, so we have a positive sign. So these are the X and Y component of FA. So X was negative and Y is positive. We have minus P, which is downward, and also we have the component of Q, which are these two. So X was positive and Y is negative, and this will be cosine of 40 degrees. That's pretty much everything. So we should be able to find the force P, which would be basically FA sine of 50 degrees minus Q cosine of 40 degrees. So FA from the question is 750. So this was 750. And our Q is what we found in the previous step, 127.7. So let's calculate P. So 75 sine of 50 minus 127.7 cosine of 40, which is going to be 476.71 pounds. And that would be the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And we're covering 3 different textbooks in this channel. Feel free to check out the playlist and let me know if you have any specific problem that you want me to cover in the next videos. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.